name is Raval Sakshi. I am studying in FY BCom Division F. My roll number is 722 and I am from SDJN International College.
Independent Branch by Sakshi Raval, roll number 722, FY BCom Division F, subject Accounts. Meaning of branch. Many times a trading company does not operate business from one place only but opens shop in different countries or cities or in different localities of the same city. These shops are known as branches. Thus, the shop run at different places under single ownership and management are known as branches. Example, shops of Bata Shoe Company, Usha sewing machines and fans, etc. Branch account. Types of branches: dependent branch and independent branch. Dependent branches are those branches that do not maintain separate books of accounts. Ultimately, their profit and loss statement and balance sheets are collectively managed by the head office only. Only a few pieces of information have been maintained by branches separately, like cash accounting, data accounting, and inventory. Features of dependent branch. The branch does not maintain its own set of books, but the head office maintains record of all transactions in respect of branch. Second, goods are received from the head office. However, the outside purchase by branch are not allowed. Goods are often supplied by head office at cost price, but sometimes they are sent at invoice price or loaded price. Fourth, all expenses of regular nature directly paid by head office through checks. Fifth, all petty expenses at branch are paid by the branch manager from the petty cash received in advance from the head office. Sixth, usually branch makes sale on cash basis, but in certain cases credit sales may be made with the authorization from the head office. Seventh, cash received on account of cash sales and from debtors is duly remitted to head office or the deposed with the local bank in the account of head office. Types of dependent branches. First, service branch. All the branches which are booking or executing orders on behalf of the head office are called service branches. These are the branches that are busy in executing all the orders for the sake of head office. Second, retail branch. Retail branches are also dependent branches, but they are concerned with the head office for selling goods produced by the head office itself or purchased from outside in a bulky position and are sent to the retail selling branches for selling them out as like. The account of dependent branch are maintained by the head office is any one of the following ways: data system, stock and data system, final account system, wholesale branch system. Data system. Under this system, the head office opens one branch account to record various transactions with the branch. Branch account is maintained in the form of branch data account. In the books of the head office, branch account is debited with the goods supplied and all expenses made by head office and credited with all remittances and returns similar to customer account. Therefore, the system can be called data system or one account system. The excess of the credit over its debit represent a profit or vice versa and is transferred to general profit and loss account of head office. Branch account is prepared in the books of head office and is a nominal account. Stock and data system. Under the data system, the profit or loss can be found out by preparing a branch account in the books of head office. The branch account has been treated as a customer, a personal account in an impersonal name. This type of accounting treatment works well in small branches. When authorized to make credit sales also, the data system proves inadequate. A detail of credit sales remain unaccounted in this system. To overcome this, stock and data system has been devised. Under stock and data system, the head office maintains several relating to each branch. Thank you for watching.